Here's a quick tutorial to show you how you can block off times on a specific date. So what we'll want to do is inside the admin home, find the date that you would like. You can go here and select any of the dates. We'll select the 6th. And in this example, we have office hours from 2 to 9 in the office party room. This is a break room example. Let's block 5 to close. So let's go here to the right side, block times. Make sure you're on the date that you'd like it to be. Lane 1 is considered the room that this is. It's only going to populate this particular reservation. And we're going to do a start time and then an end time. I know it to end business at 10 p.m. So we will go to there, 5 to 10, and then any notes if you'd like it. Here, now we can save that block time. And then as I close out, you will now be able to see that it is closed from 5 till the end. What you want to make sure is you do all the other rooms. If your entire business is going to be blocked off, make sure you go to the HR department room and all the other places that can be booked and reserved if you need it to be blocked off. Right here on that right-hand side is where you get that blocked times feature.